Hi everyone, so welcome to my channel Aslam Coding. So I started my 6 months DSA and placement preparation journey, and today I have completed the 2 months of the journey. And in these 2 months I have learned a lot of things, and more than expected I have completed. I have achieved the targets, and I will also provide you the important DSA notes, computer science notes, OS notes, and many more fundamental subjects and some other important notes which will be very helpful for you to revise those concepts. So, if you want the important notes which will be helpful for you to revise, then please do comments for the notes, and I will share you the Telegram channel link. So from there you can download all the notes. Like I will provide the DSA notes, then object-oriented programming, then React.js, then JavaScript, and after JavaScript, then I will also provide you the computer networks, operating system. These are very important and very crucial for your subject. Whether you are targeting startup companies, then the JavaScript and React.js, this will be very helpful. If you are targeting some FANG or some good product-based companies, then DSA will be very important for you, which will be very time saving for you, and so that you can revise your concept fast. And after DSA, this operating system, object and programming, then computer network, these play a significant role in your interviews, because these are also asked. These are some fundamental which interviewers try to check, that do you have some basic concept about computer science or not. So if you want these notes, and if you also wanted to know how I am doing my preparation and how I am maintaining my consistency and doing doing really great in my preparation, so this video is for you. So let's get started. So I started my preparation on 18th of the December. I started last year, and on 18th of the February this 2026 I completed my first 2 months. So my plan is basically to divide my 6-month journey in 3 chunks: first 2 months, then second 2 months, and the third 2 months. So the first chunk, that is 0 to 2 months, that I have completed. So you will be surprised to notice that my main target was just 3 things I targeted. Like I will revise DSA, I will revise operating system, and computer network. These 3 things I decided in the early. But you will be surprised to notice that I completed more than my targets. Okay, within these 2 months I completed more than my targets. So see, I completed DSA like 50%. I have revised very well. Like a revision means not just reading the notes, like writing the code on paper and doing dry run manually, because dry run help us to realize the concepts, help us to think how the logic is working in any program. Okay, help us to understand the algorithm. So that's very important. So DSA 50% I have completed. Then after DSA, operating system done, computer network also done. So these were the basic that I have done it. So my target was over. But after that, some extra thing like JavaScript I have revised. So there, so you do the basic JavaScript and learn things. But in the interviews, they ask how JavaScript work behind the scene. What are closures? What are arrow functions? What are the difference between let versus var versus const? What are closures? Okay, so these are the questions interviewer asked to you, and you are going blank in front of them. They will see that just you are knowing how to write code, you don't know how JavaScript work behind. Like what is JavaScript engine, and what kind of Google Chrome JavaScript engine uses. Like Google Chrome uses V8 engine, which is one of the fastest one. And also, like, what are context variables, what are lexical environment, and so many things are there. So what is the difference between defined, undefined, then null? So there are so many concepts which interviewer test. Then React.js comes. Like there also very much good amount of fundamental questions are asked if you are trying for a front-end developer job. So JavaScript completed, React.js also I have completed, and then what else? Like after that, yeah. So these were the things I revised very well. Okay, and yeah, I also revised the basic concept of high level designing. So like what are load balancers, like single server, and like what are content delivery networks, redis, caching. So many things I learned, cloudinary, and all these things. So load balancer, how it distributes the load, what are horizontal scaling and vertical scaling. So hope you are getting me, like what I want to convey to you. So only DSA is not going to help you, only development is not going to help you. If you want to survive in this AI era, you must be master of all these things. By master, it doesn't mean that you are strong in one thing. You have to be strong in all these. Okay, you have to be good in DSA. At least decent level of DSA you need to practice. Okay, then the fundamental projects you have to make. So these were the things I completed. So if you want the notes of all these things, please do subscribe to my channel Aslam Coding. And so these 2 months has been over now. So now the 3 to 4 months, this I am going to start. It's already started. Okay, so that is from the 18th of the February to 18th March and then 18th April. So these 2 months, the second path. In this one I decided, like, remaining portion of data structures and algorithms I will do, then DBMS, that database management system, and low level DN. These are the fundamental and important things I have to cover. And after that, if I get some extra time, then I will focus on some more concepts and some more good projects for my resume. Okay, so that's it. And if you are also confused like how to revise and you are stuck in the loop of DSA, like you are starting from array, going to string, then coming back to array, hopping from one playlist to another, then stop it. Like, just follow one playlist, one teacher, and do your best. Like, so if you find this video helpful, that please comment down like what part of the video you find it helpful, and also like what are you learning at present, like what do you think as per you, like which is important in today's world, like whether DSA is still relevant to you or not, or development, what do you think which is more important for you, and what is your progress now, like are you learning DSA or developments? Please let me know in the comment section. Okay, and make sure to subscribe to my channel Aslam Coding for more such videos.